Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing Spectrum TV choice in 2026 and answering one simple question: is it actually worth it? So if you are thinking about cutting the cable but still want live TV, this quick review is going to help you decide it. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, before judging the price, it's very important to understand what this service really is. So, Spectrum TV Choice is a live TV streaming plan for Spectrum Internet users. You get local channels plus 15 cable channels that you choose, and you watch everything through the Spectrum TV application. No cable box needed. So if I talk about what is good about it, so the biggest benefit is the control. As you can see in this screenshot, you are not stuck paying for the dozens of channels you never watch. You just pick the ones that you actually care about. It's also very convenient. You can watch on smart TVs, Roku, Fire Stick, phones and tablets, and you don't need boxes in every room. The streaming quality in 2026 is generally solid, especially if the Spectrum internet connection is stable. Cloud DVR is also available, so you can record the live shows and sports, though it costs extra. Now, let's be honest about the downsides as well. So, the price is higher than it first appears. After the required local broadcast fees, the monthly cost adds up much higher than expected. You are also limited to 15 channels, which may feel restrictive if you want lots of sports or variety. The DVR and the premium channels cost extra, while the app is mostly reliable. Small bugs or sign-in issues can still happen. So, who should actually consider this? So, in my opinion, it is best for the people who already have Spectrum internet, that want live TV and don't want cable boxes everywhere. If you mostly watch Netflix, YouTube, or on demand content, this plan probably isn't necessary for you. So, if this review helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.